Дорогим, советским.
What's going on, everybody? I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller, and recently I told you guys I was going to be giving you a new episode every weekday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, there will be edited episodes, and then Saturday we're still going to be doing the live streams. Now, I gave you an episode Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but this Friday we missed an episode, and then I don't think I'm doing a live stream today, which is Saturday. And it's because I was on an airplane all yesterday, and now I am on a tropical island getaway. That's right. I just wanted to take a little bit of time off, so to speak, because we had a very successful Black Friday at the Time Teller shop, and I wanted to thank each and every one of you for supporting me over there. And you can see I'm actually drenched right now because I did a little bit of a 2-mile run with my girl, and we're here in Waikiki. We wanted to hang out and just get away from the city for a little bit, and it's been an awesome trip so far, and we're not even like a full day in, but I am very, very thirsty. Some Hawaii volcanic water. So I'm not just jumping on here to brag about being in Hawaii. I did want to talk about something specific. So whenever watch enthusiasts travel or go anywhere, we always argue about what the best watch is to bring on a trip. And I get this question a whole lot. How do you travel with watches? What do you consider when you're traveling with watches? And I've made like numerous lists on this channel about what to do when you're traveling with watches and what cases to bring. Should you bring a case? How many watches should you bring? And I'm gonna link an episode up here for you to watch, which is like a checklist for traveling with watches. But I wanted to share with you something that is a first for me. So I'm traveling with 2 watches right now. That's not abnormal for me, but I brought 2 divers. So these 2, one's my SBBN 031 Seiko Tuna, and the other is my new Doxa sub 200 Seagraph 2. And this is a new piece for me personally. I've never traveled with it, but it's also a first in that I've never traveled with 2 dive watches. And not only are we going to be getting wet, and we're going to be having some fun hiking around, jogging around, and I also just wanted to bring a chronograph. I don't know what it was about this watch. I think it's because it's my like new blue diver, and we're in Hawaii, and I wanted to bring something new on the trip. But also, it's fun to run around timing things, and I don't know if that's just like a weird idiosyncrasy that us watch collectors have, but I always say chronographs are just stopwatches. They're useless, right? Until you have one on your wrist, and then you find yourself using it all the time to time the most like arbitrary BS. So we are going to be going snorkeling, and I might get some footage later in the week of us doing that, and I will probably bring my tuna for those types of excursions. I'm still going to be showing you some macro footage of these watches, but for like every day out and about and just going to the beach and swimming, I'm probably going to be bringing this. So this is not just going to be a desk diver. I'm still going to be, getting it wet and sandy, and we will see how this performs. I think it's going to be just fine. But yeah, just wanted to fill you in and say thank you for an awesome Black Friday. I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. We are now into December, so the holidays are, in full effect. But yeah, I just wanted to show you some cool footage of us going out and about. We explored Chinatown here in Honolulu, and it was kind of run down, unfortunately. But the funniest part was we came across a large group of older Asian men, and they were gambling just in broad daylight. They were hardcore gambling, arguing, and it was just the funniest thing to encounter. So I'm sure I'm putting some footage here. I've been to Hawaii a whole bunch of times. This is my girl's first time going, so we're just gonna explore here. And yeah, there's gonna be some more episodes coming up in the future, but I just wanted to say hello. I love you guys, and yeah, these are the 2 watches I brought. Let me know what you think. I will catch you on the next one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller. Always remember, I didn't invent time. Whoa, I just tell it. And before I forget, it is 9:43 a.m. Hawaii time. Let's get down to business.